Hi Bestie, welcome to my page. In today's video, I'm going to share some happy mail that I got from T as a Saver, a new calculator, and some saving challenges that I have on Ko-Fi and Etsy. So if that interests you, let's go ahead and get started. Hi Bess, my name is Karen, also known as Miss Frugal, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. So I do have $40 that I will be cash stuffing. The last time I cash stuffed, I believe it was on Mother's Day. Alright, so I did have to end up getting this calculator. Well, I selected this calculator because my old calculator, I lost one of the buttons on the calculator, so I had to find something else. And I have been looking at this calculator for a while. It does come in different colors. And I chose to get this pink metallic one here. And so far, I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it feels. At least with this one, I don't have to worry about the buttons falling off of it. So I'm excited about that. And I think I'm glad I got this color because I wasn't sure which color that I wanted to get, but I'm pleased with the metallic pink. Alright, so now let's get into this happy mail from T as a Savers. Make sure you check T out if you're not subscribed to her. I'll have her information in the description. This is pretty. This is so pretty. This is gorgeous. So this is a set of scratch-offs. These are really nice. I really like the quality. It is thick too. I like the quality of it. And I cannot wait. And these are Christmas savings challenges. And I cannot wait to use those. Now I just have to decide, am I going to put these in my scratch off binder or should I place them in another binder? But thank you, T, for these beautiful scratch off challenges. Oh, and T does have a Ko-Fi page as well if you're interested in any of her saving challenges. And she does have a Ko-Fi membership too. Alright, so I think that is it for that because I'm not sure which binder I want to place those challenges in. I might just have to place them in my scratch off binder, which is an A5 binder. But I'm really not sure. I'm thinking maybe I should place them. Well, no, I probably should place them in my Christmas binder. And I haven't used that Christmas binder since the beginning part of this year. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the things. Alright, so I do have freebies available on my Ko-Fi. I've been trying to add some new freebies. This Faith and Finance here is a freebie that's on the Ko-Fi shop. And then for the month of July, I do have this July monthly that has the moon tracker, the wacky, the bingo, and as well as the Christmas in July and a regular savings challenge. And those are freebies that's on my Ko-Fi shop. And I have the link to my Ko-Fi shop in my description. And I did end up organizing my Ko-Fi shop based on the challenge. Alright, so let me get these stacks that I did cut out. I did end up cutting some challenges from Ko-Fi and on Etsy. So let me pull these challenges out. So the Blue Christmas in July is a freebie that's on Ko-Fi. So I do have a variety. I have faith-based, monthlies. I need to start adding some more minis and holidays, but this is the Christmas bundle here. The Christmas in July. Right now I'm going through my blue aesthetic, so I wanted to add a blue. Alright, so let me place this back with the sweet tea. So this Christmas in July here with the pink theme, pink and black, this is available on my Etsy shop. And you get a variety of challenges. So for on my Etsy shop, I do try to make sure that I include several savings challenges on there. And these are printables. So you just get a variety of challenges to help you to achieve your goal. And my challenges are typically made for the personal ring. I know within the cash stuffing, you guys probably say like A6, but it's the personal ring, personal discount, size cash envelopes. So that is Christmas in July. This one right here is part of the Honey Sweet Tea and Lemonade Challenge. And this is available on Etsy. It's just a variety of challenges. So I typically try to create something that's for everybody. Let's see, and I created this one because I love sweet tea and my daughter loves lemonade. My granddaughter loves lemonade too. So that is how I came up with this honey iced tea the honey iced tea lemonade theme for this particular challenge. And then plus I was going through my yellow and blue phase. Alright, so then I said, you know what? I know a lot of girls like the pink. So I did the pink lemonade challenge. And with this pink lemonade challenge, I did end up including Christmas in July in it as well. Because I know a lot of cash stuffers absolutely love the color pink. So I said, you know what? Let me do the pink lemonade. And my grandbaby loves pink lemonade too. So I said that would be absolutely cool to add that. And if you have any recommendations of type of saving challenges, please let me know in the comments because I will try to create something. Alright. So I ended up creating this HBCU savings challenge bundle because I remember when my daughter was at Howard, I remember leading up to college move-in day and through all those 4 years of all the expenses that I had incurred related to her going to college. And because I do sell HBCU shoe charms and I'm all about the HBCU vibe, I said, you know what, let me create a savings challenge bundle for the HBCU moms. And I tried to include different categories with it. So this right here is a part of the Emergency Fund Abundant Savings Challenge bundle that's available on Etsy, and it will help you save over $4,000. And I tried to include a different style of challenges with this particular bundle because you will have the ladder, you will have a savings jar, the opportunity, the golden key challenge here, a savings tracker. Here's the savings jar here, and here is the ladder that comes with this particular challenge. Now, I didn't print all of the new challenges that I've added to Etsy, but I do have quite a few. If you purchased on Etsy, thank you so much. Alright, so now we'll get to the Blue Savings Challenge bundle. It will allow you to save over $1,000. And this one have a few additional saving challenges and have the few saving jars. I did include a tracker with this one as well. Like I said, I'm going through my blue phase. And so this is the Faith and Finances Challenge. This coordinates with the freebie that I have on Ko-Fi. And this savings challenge here looks similar to the freebie, which is a 4-letter size. So no matter what your level of income is, whether it's low or high, you should be able to use this particular challenge as well. Typically with all my challenges, you should be able to use them to achieve your goal. But this is my first time actually including a prayer list with a challenge. So that was absolutely something new that I did this time. And like I said, this is available on Etsy here. And if you can't get it on Etsy, check out the freebies that's on Ko-Fi. Okay, so with the Evil Eye Savings Challenge, we'll be able to save up to $1,200. I include a monthly challenge, a dot marker with this debt tracker savings challenge, and the small steps is a dot marker. I have this dice roll and save challenge, shut the box, and a moon tracker for the month. then a savings jar, and then Monopoly, and then build the bank savings challenge. And so that's basically it. Now I do have additional challenges, but these are the ones I decided to print off to share with my besties, and hopefully I'm able to work on them this year. And I have a coupon code in the description for the Etsy shop. If you can't buy anything, check out my code 5 for all the freebies. Alright, bestie. Toodles!